Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In last video, we have discussed about nuclear power plant. In this video, we will discuss about gas power plant. Okay, so first let's see what are the components here. So in components here we have gas turbine. Okay, we know that. What is the purpose of turbine? Turbine is used to rotate generator. Okay, so this is the shaft which is connecting, and turbine here drives the generator. And here type of turbine is given gas turbine. So here we are using some gases to run the turbine. Okay, so how these gases are produced? Here this is the compressor. This is called compressor. In compressor we are taking outside air, okay, and compressing this air, and this compressed air is passed through combustion chamber, and by using some fuel, okay, fuel can be anything. You can use petrol, coal, or anything. By using that fuel in combustion chamber, we carried out combustion, and due to combustion the gases which are generated here are passed over this turbine, and we get here rotary motion, and this motion is connected to generator, so we get electricity as output here. And the gases after passing over turbine are emitted to outside. So this is the simple working of gas power plant. Okay, here we are taking initially outside air in compressor. In compressor we are compressing air. This compressed air is goes to combustion chamber, where fuel in combustion chamber, by using some mechanism, combustion is carried out. Okay, and after combustion the hot gases which are produced are passed over this turbine, and here we get electricity in generator, and flue gases are passed out. So this is the simple working of gas power plant. So in gas power plant, chemical energy in natural gases or any other gas is used. Then kinetic energy is generated with the combustion of natural gas. That means here in this case the fuel used is natural gas. Then the kinetic energy in turbine, and finally we get electric energy. Okay, so this is the simple idea of gas power plant. So these are the steps we have discussed, and this is the table which shows some major gas power plants in India. So we are having highest capacity plant is Samarkota, Andhra Pradesh, and in Maharashtra we have Anza well, having capacity 2220 megawatt. Okay, so this gives some ideas of power plants. Then this is the question, is energy generation from these fuels environment friendly? Okay, so whether it is friendly or not, so let's discuss on this. So what are the effects of energy produced by these fuels? That is energy produced from coal, energy produced from natural gases, energy produced from nuclear power plants. What are the effects? Okay, so if we consider by combustion of these fossil fuels, okay, there are leads to emission of certain gases and soot particles, and this result into air pollution. So if there is an incomplete combustion of fuels, carbon monoxide is generated, and this adversely affect on our health. Okay, if we come across continuous emission of or continuous contact of carbon monoxide, we can become unconscious or cause death also. So carbon monoxide is very dangerous. Then burning of fuels, that is, if there is a burning of fuel or complete burning of fuel, carbon dioxide is generated, and this is resulting into global warming. Okay, and due to global warming, so many environmental problems are creating. I think you are aware of this. Then burning of fuels like coal, diesel, petrol causes production of nitrogen dioxide, and problems like acid rain that we have discussed in our ninth standard earlier. What are the effects of acid rain on environment? Then again, incomplete burning of fossil fuel generates soot particles, and these soot particles causes some respiratory problems like asthma. So this is the problems which are due to burning of fossil fuels. We are here considering only coal and natural gases. So this is the first impact. Okay, then what is the next impact? Next reason, it took millions of years for formation of fossil fuels like coal, crude oil, and natural gases. We know that these fuels are generated from fossils of dead animals. Okay, and the process is very long. So if uh, these reserves are consumed completely, then for production of these reservoirs or sources, it took millions of years. So they are going to deplete in future definitely. So then problems of availability will be there. Then if you consider nuclear energy, then problem of disposal of nuclear waste and possibility of disaster due to accident in nuclear power plant is the main reason. That is, if the waste is come in contact of some animal or some person, then radiation effects will be there. And if high energy or energy generation or this process of nuclear fission is not controlled, then tremendous amount of energy will generate and leads to accident in nuclear power plant. So if you consider all this problem, both fossil fuels and nuclear fuels, though they are uh, very interesting or popular, they are not environment friendly, and soon we have to reduce use of these fossil fuels. Okay, so what next? Either we have to stop electric generation or find some alternatives. So what are the alternatives and how we have generated electricity from that we will discuss in our next video. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.